Three Lakes Middle School is a first-class facility in the middle of beautiful, growing South Tyler. We are surrounded with the best businesses, families, neighborhoods, and community right here all around Three Lakes. Being a neighborhood school like we are, students from the Crossing, Holly Tree, Oak Hollow are able to just walk to school or ride their bikes. We have crossing guards at each stop or light, so student safety comes first, but our students have the advantage of being able to walk or ride their bike to school.
Hi guys, this is Amy Agani with Next Home Neighbors. I'm here at Three Lakes Middle School, one of the neighborhood schools in the Crossing. And one of the great things about it is that, as you can see, I'm here in the gym. They offer a ton of sports for kids, including tennis, swim, basketball, football, track, and many, many others. Cheerleading is also included in that.